Sooner or later, you may have to remove a damaged or dead limb from an otherwise healthy tree. And when that time comes, there's a right way and a wrong way to prune the branch. First, the wrong way. If you make a single cut from the top of the branch, watch what happens when you make it most of the way through. The weight of the limb broke the branch, ripping the bark, making it very difficult for this tree to heal properly. The right way to prune a tree is called the 3-cut method, and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. About a foot away from where the branch meets the trunk, I'll make an undercut on the bottom of the limb. This cut will only go about a third of the way through the branch. 2. I'll make a second cut an inch or 2 further out than the first cut. This cut is made from the top down. I'll keep sawing until that branch breaks free. Perfect. See how the undercut allowed the limb to fall off without ripping the bark? 3. With the weight of the branch removed, I can make my final cut. This area of the branch is a little thicker than the rest. It's called the branch collar. It's very important that I don't cut into that so that the tree will heal properly. Because I use the 3-cut method, the wound on the tree is small, and the bark and the branch collar are intact. This tree will heal properly, be healthy, and happy.
If you love smart techniques and oddly satisfying moments, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.